Hey guys, it's Mike here, K9KMV. It's been a while since I've been out now with the radio stuff, so I just loaded up the car. Gonna head out to do Parks on the Air activation, hopefully. It's pretty warm today. It's gonna, if it isn't already, it's gonna be getting up into the low 90s, and it's really humid, so it's gonna be a sticky one. But I'll just quickly show you what we got in the car, and then we'll be on the road and we're heading out. All right, so I've got plan A, plan B, and probably plan C in there tucked away as well somewhere. I'm going to be primarily trying out the IC-705 again, which is here in the backpack. But I do also have in my case here, I've got an FT891. If things aren't working out and I need to bump the power up a little bit, then I'll give that a try. But got a few different antenna options. Got a crate full of stuff. I've got a pole in there, a telescopic pole in there for deploying the wire antenna, and that's about it. So I'll close that up and we will head out. Catch you guys later. All right, so I just arrived at the park here. I'm at James Pate Phillip State Park, which is K1001. But the pavilion is in use right now by some kind of family event. They're having a big picnic, and that's kind of put that out of the question. So I'm going to take a walk around and see if I can find somewhere else where there's a little bit of shade. It's going to be difficult here because there isn't very much shade. It's about 92 degrees and it's pretty humid as well. So it's the good thing is that it feels like the wind is, or the breeze is picking up a little bit, which helps, but it's still very, very hot, and I really need to try and find a place to do this in the shade. So let's see what we can find out. Alright, so I'm set up here at the park now. I decided to go with the MFJ 17-foot whip that with a few radials laid out on the ground there. I just checked my SWR and it's like 0.2 to 1. It's pretty windy, you can probably see it flexing up there, but I think it's in it's going to hold up. So I've got the lever set up. There's a few signals coming through, so I'm going to go spot myself on the POTA site and start making some calls and see if I can make a few contacts and activate this park. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor calling, CQ Parks on the air.
Kilo Charlie 1, November Delta Quebec.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 1, November Delta Quebec. Thanks for coming back. You're a good solid 5-9 here into Park Kilo 1001, over.
Roger, roger. You are 5-5 here in Massachusetts. Thanks for activating.
CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor calling, CQ Parks on the air, I'm listening.
Kilo 5, Yankee, Bravo, X-ray.
Kilo 5, Yankee, Bravo, X-ray. Thank you for coming back to the call. Park number here is Kilo 1001. You're a good solid signal though. Back to you.
QSB, you're 5454 Texas.
Roger, roger. Thanks for the 54 in Texas. You're 57 here in Illinois. The park number is Kilo 1001, over. QRZ Parks on the air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor.
November 1, India, Bravo, Quebec.
November 1, Italy, Bravo, Quebec. You're 5-9 into Kilo 1001.
QSL, yeah, you just came up to a 5353 into Connecticut, Charlie Tango, and thanks for your activation today, 7-3.
Yeah, roger, thanks, and have a good afternoon there. This is Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor for Parks on the Air, QRZ. CQ Parks on the air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor calling, CQ Parks on the air, QRZ. Okay, there's a station ending November Lima. Go ahead. Okay, I got partial call there. Whiskey Alpha question mark November Lima. Please go ahead again. Roger, Roger, gotcha. Whiskey Alpha 4 Golf November Lima. You're a 5-7 here into Kilo 1001. Over. Yeah, Roger. Thanks for Alabama, and have a good afternoon there. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor QRZ. Okay, I've got a Whiskey 6 station. Go ahead. Roger, Whiskey 6 Golf Alpha Echo. Thank you. I got you here in Park Kilo 1001. Over. All right, that's really good. Thanks for the 3-3 into California. You're a 5-5 here, 5-5 into Illinois. Over. Yeah, you're very welcome. You're very welcome, and thanks for the contact. This is Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, Parks on the Air, QRZ. CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, QRZ. Well, that was pretty good. We got a few contacts there right at the start. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, QRZ.
Kilo India 7 Uniform X-Ray Tango.
Kilo India 7 Uniform X-Ray Tango. Thanks, really good signal. 5-9 into Kilo 1001. Over. Yeah, Roger, Roger. Thanks for Whiskey Alpha. Good to know that I'm making it over to that side of the country. Thanks for the contact, and have a good afternoon. Well, I'm pretty happy about that. So we got California and we got Washington State. We've got Alabama, Connecticut. I forget what the other one was now. But so far so good. 10 watts is actually working out for me today. So let's keep trying. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor calling CQ Parks on the Air, QRZ. CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor calling CQ Parks on the Air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, QRZ.
Kilo Golf 5, Yankee Tango, Yankee.
Kilo Golf 5, is it Yankee Kilo Yankee?
I'm thinking Kilo Golf 5, Yankee Tango, Yankee. Yankee Tango, Yankee.
Okay, Roger, Kilo Golf 5, Yankee Tango Yankee, got you that time? Good solid 5-9 into Kilo 1001, over.
Roger, Roger. I had you 5-5 into Arkansas, Alpha Romeo. 73, thanks for the park.
Yeah, Roger, thanks for the contact into Arkansas, and have a good afternoon, 7-3. This is Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor for Parks on the Air, QRZ. Okay, so we got 7 contacts so far, 3 more to make this an official activation. That'll be really good for me, because my last few attempts have not been very successful. So I'm hoping I can get these last 3, and obviously try and do some more as well. But if I can make the 10, the magic 10, I'll be super happy. Okay, I don't know what made me just check, but I hadn't actually connected it to the external power, so I was actually running 5 watts up until now, not the full-on 10 watts. So those contacts so far, I think I've got 7 contacts so far. We're all on 5 watts, just from the Icom battery pack. I've hooked it up now, so we should be up onto 10 watts now, so we'll see if that makes a difference. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, park to park, park to park. Trying to get a park to park, but he's not hearing me, so I'm going to try somewhere else. CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, QRZ.
Alpha Kilo 4 Mike Kilo.
Alpha Kilo 4 Mike Kilo, was that?
QSL, do I have your call correct? Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Yeah, Roger, Alpha Kilo 4 Mike Kilo, thanks. You're really strong 5-9 here into Kilo 1001, over.
QSL, copy the 5-9 into 1001. You're about 5-4 into West Central Georgia.
Roger, okay, well thanks for the contact into Georgia and have a great afternoon. 7-3.
QSL 73. Kilo India 5, Lima, Kilo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, go ahead.
Kilo India 5, Lima, Kilo Sierra. Yeah, QSL, I have you about a 5-3 into Texas, English ring. QSL.
Yeah, Roger, thanks for the contact into Texas and have a great afternoon.
73.
7-3, this is Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ Parks on the air, QRZ.
Whiskey Juliet 5, Echo Sierra.
Okay, Whiskey Juliet 5, I didn't get the last bit, please go ahead.
Echo Sierra. You're 5-5 in the Mississippi Mike Sierra, QSL.
Roger, Whiskey Juliet 5, Echo Sierra, thanks for Mississippi. You're a good 5-9 here to Illinois, Park Kilo 1001. You are my 10th contact, and there's a thunderstorm approaching, so I think I'm going to go QRT. I'm really glad I made it to number 10, over.
Roger, good. Thanks for the contact. 7-3, be safe.
Yeah, Roger, same to you, and this is perfectly timed. I'm going to go QRT now. 7-3, K9, KNB now clear. Alright, so I made my 10 contacts. Yay, wow. I'm so happy about that, all on the IC-705. There's a storm just about ready to hit here. I can hear the thunder already, so I've packed up, got everything in the car. Literally as I made that 10th contact, you could hear the rumbles of thunder in the background, so if you can make any if you can see the clouds in the background there coming through, really couldn't have timed this any better. So I'm going to jump in the car now and I'll be heading home. So thanks for watching, everybody, and yay, I finally made it. Alright, catch you later. Alright, just heading home, heading east, so the storm is behind me, but if you can see, temperatures went from like 91 degrees down to 89, and it's going to be dropping down quite a bit now. The storm's almost on us. But really happy that I got my 10 contacts. It's been a while since I came out and got an activation where I actually managed to make the magic 10. So I am very happy about that, and especially when it wasn't until I was on like contact number 7 or 8 that I realised that I hadn't connected the external battery to the IC-705, which meant I was actually only running 5 watts on the internal battery instead of the 10 that I thought I was running. So that made those contacts even better, I think, especially they were out in California and one into Washington State. So yeah, pretty happy with the radio, with the way the radio performed, and happy how the 20 meter vertical, just using that MFJ whip, it really worked out good. So very happy, and I'll catch you guys again. Thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't and you like what I'm doing here, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, and that'll let you see the next videos that I make. So thanks again. 73 K9 KMV clear.